All right, with the factoring, I'm going to keep this all on the same video. So I'm going to do number 8, 10, and 11 all on this video. This is just factoring. So I've got x squared minus 3x minus 18. This is what I call the puzzle method. And I can use the puzzle method when there is no number in front of the x squared. So since there's no number in front of the x squared other than a 1, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 18 and add to negative 3. So again, I'm going through my list, negative 1 and 18. Well, if I add those together, that would be 17. That doesn't help me. I need a negative 3. Negative 2 and 9. Add those together. That would be 7. Negative 3 and 6. I add those together, and that gives me a positive 3. I need a 3, but I don't need it to be positive. I need it to be negative. So what I can do is just change these signs. And I put x plus 3, x minus 6. Because 3 times negative 6 multiplies to negative 18. And then when I do that inside 3x minus 6x, that adds to my middle term. So I would just put x plus 3, x minus 6, and that would be my factored form. X plus 3, x minus 6, and that problem is factored. All right, like I said, I'm going to keep on the same video. I'm going to skip number 9. I'll come back to that. I'm going to do number 10. Okay. So for number 10, same type of idea here. Okay. I've got x squared minus 3x minus 28. So again, there's no a. So I'm going through the numbers that multiply to 28. And again, I'm doing all this in my head. I'm just writing it down to show you. Negative 1 and 28, the sum of that would be 27. Negative 2 and 14, the sum of that would be 12. It's not divisible by 3. 4 and 7. Positive 3. So same thing. I got the number there. I just got to switch these signs up, and it would be a plus 4. So x plus 4, x minus 7. So I go here, put in x plus 4. 4. X minus 7. X minus 7. Again, just make sure when you do this, these two numbers have to multiply to this and add to the middle term. And I'll go ahead and do the next problem because it's the same thing. So I'm looking for two numbers. I'm going to write this down. Two numbers that multiply to 10 and add to 7. So it's only two numbers I can think of are 10 and 1. Well, that adds to 11. And then 2 and 5. So this would be x plus 5. Again, the order that you put these in doesn't matter. If you put x plus 2 first, that would be fine as well. I got to multiply to the last number and add to the middle. There's a few problems like that on 8, 10, and 11.